Hello, and welcome to my channel. Thomas here to talk about hypertension or high blood pressure. The reason we have high blood pressure is because my research says constricted blood vessels. The reason why our blood vessels constrict is because we don't eat properly the foods that help the body produce nitric oxide, which is a phytochemical or plant nutrient produced by the body from the foods we eat. Some of the foods that I found are excellent generators of nitric oxide are beets, which contain nitrates, which help increase the nitric oxide in our bodies. I know some people say, I don't like beets, but when I'm making a high protein shake, I sometimes use pickled beets, which adds a little zing to the shake, and it's personal preference, but I like it. Garlic is another food to eat because it increases nitric oxide synthase, which is an enzyme that converts L-arginine to nitric oxide. Meats, poultry, and seafood. Healthy meats, poultry, and seafood. They contain coenzyme Q10, which helps preserve the nitric oxide in our bodies. Dark chocolate contains flavonols. These also help the body produce nitric oxide. Leafy greens contain nitrates, which help the body produce nitric oxide. And let me show you the leafy greens I get. There is heirloom lettuce blend, hybrid lettuce blend. There's arugula in there somewhere. And towards the top, there's Black Magic Dino Kale, which is really good. Really like these. Citrus fruits contain vitamin C, which enhances the bioavailability of the nitric oxide from the other foods we eat. Pomegranate contains antioxidants, and it also preserves the nitric oxide in the body. Because nitric oxide doesn't, once you get nitric oxide in your body, it doesn't stay. It opens up the blood vessels gradually. It takes time, but you get the idea. Nuts and seeds contain the amino acid arginine. That also helps with the nitric oxide production. Now, watermelon contains the amino acid citrulline. I wondered if the seedless watermelons we've been getting were genetically modified or not. In the research I found, it said they crossed two varieties of watermelons to come up with the so-called seedless watermelons, although the tiny benign seeds that you get in the seedless watermelon are still there, but they can't be used to grow more watermelons. Red wine is also a good generator of nitric oxide in the body for those of you who drink wine. So, if you're on blood pressure medications, I highly recommend that you not take them, not stop taking them, unless you talk to your doctor first. If they're causing you a lot of problems, well, do what you have to do to alleviate that. My recommendation is to get healthy so your doctor can start weaning you off the blood pressure meds. Start eating better, these foods that I related to you. Get healthy, bring your blood pressure down by opening up your blood vessels, and maybe your doctor can agree to start taking you off the blood, weaning you off the blood pressure meds. I hope you have a great day, and the next video I will do will be on healthy supplements. Have a great day and a great weekend.